Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are at the new pond that we built a couple weeks ago. We actually have a video of us posted of us building this, so if you want to check that out, it'd be cool. And today we're going to be installing the overflow in this. So you can see here we have a line. That's approximately where we're going to run the drain tile. And then right somewhere in here, there's actually a drain tile that comes from another pond up there. So we're actually just going to tie this one into the drain tile down there. So that should be pretty easy. We're going to be putting I think we're going 4-inch. We're going 4-inch. We're going to come right out here, and we might do a 90 up. Not sure on that yet. We'll kind of see how that goes. But yeah, pretty simple job here. Just got to basically dig this out with the excavator, and this pond it'll drain, because if you can't tell, it's starting to really catch up to us. We only dug this about 3 weeks ago, and it's already almost full. So all right, let's get on the excavator and start digging this thing. So we're gonna just start getting this dug out. We're gonna start the ditch right where you see the bucket. We're just gonna skim a layer off, and we're gonna go about 6 inches down. So I'm really gonna feather it. I got a little tape measure thing over there that I can use to make sure I'm at the right depth, but we're just gonna take our time and get this thing dug. right, so we got from about there to there. I'm just checking it with this thing, making sure it's deep enough. It's plenty deep, especially since we're putting a 4-inch tile in there, so it doesn't need to be very deep. Open, the culverts just showed up. Looks like he's got a bunch of drain tile in the back.
They didn't have any time to put sticks and solid.
All right, we're about to hit the culvert pipe that's already in the ground that we're gonna stub into, so gotta be super careful here. Getting close. It's got to be right there, right? Alright, so we just hit the culvert. You can see it right there. We did not do any damage to it, so we're just going to tee into it. So far, this is what we got. Okay, you're good. And this is what we're doing up here. We're going to pull a little 90 on this. You need me to hold that? All right, now we're getting this T installed so we can tie in the culvert or the pipe from the pond. All right, so we put a 90 on the end of this. Basically, when we get this filled in, you'll be able to turn this 90 and adjust the water level slightly. So
By about 3 to 4 inches.
yeah, about 3 to 4 inches. So it helps it so that we don't have to get the pipe set exactly within centimeters. So all right, we're gonna get that black pipe laid out. All right, so we got the pipe laid out. We're gonna start to backfill it with the excavator. Should work pretty good. The reason why I'm not kind of tracking over and pushing it in with my blade is because all this fresh grass here, you can see we got this planted, and this dike is still like super soft because we just built it 2 weeks ago. So I'm being super careful. I'm kind of just feeding it in with my bucket, so we really don't want to ruin that dike when we literally just built it less than a month ago. Okay, so we just got this all filled in. It's kind of getting dark. I don't know if you can tell by the lighting in the camera, but we got this all filled in. I want to explain this one more time, show you guys what we're doing. You see this 90 here? We got it about flush with all the way around the pond, and we can actually adjust this. So if we want our pond to be lower, we can turn this down. The water level will drop. If we want it to be higher, can raise it up, water level will be higher. This is just really easy way, so you don't have to get your pipe like super perfect. But besides that, we got this all ready to go. I'll move the excavator and we'll get a better look at how we did. Okay, so here's a better look at how we did. we got this basically smoothened out, so get some grass plant on this and it ain't gonna look any different than it did before. We got this kind of, I packed it in with a bucket. It's gonna settle a little, but not too bad. And then I just showed you this. So you see how we did that? Turned out pretty nice. I thought it was gonna be a lot messier, so we lucked out. It wasn't too wet. I'm really liking how this turned out. All right, everyone, that's it for today's video. We got the culvert pipe installed. If you want, go check out the video of us building this pond. It was an awesome project, and it's definitely worth the watch. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.